Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Murphex weekly currency or our weekly forecast. Um, we've been away for 2 weeks due to some engagement with some other activities, so we couldn't actually meet up with our weekly analysis. So we're off the grid for 2 weeks, no trading, no nothing. We had some unfinished business which we had to attend to. But gladly now we are back and fully running again. So I don't think there will be any break for the foreseeable future. So without actually wasting much of your time, I'm trying to actually make sure these videos will be short. And before I go into the analysis, I want to actually remind you all to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and you can also do well to share the video. So earlier on, we looked at two pairs, which is the AUD USD and the Euro CAD. And the AUD USD, I think he gave a loss, and then the Euro CAD didn't trigger immediately. When it triggered, it went up a bit, came back down, and went up and delivered about 40 pips before hitting the stop loss and still progressing onward to actually break our take profit too. So that being said and done, the market is closed for the week and we're entering a new week, and this week is going to be very volatile because we're now approaching the Christmas break. Most companies will start going for Christmas breaks. A lot of companies would actually have to pause operations and everything, so it would really make the market unpredictable. So it will be, I would advise most people to only, like, if you've been trading like 3 or 4 times a week, you should cut it down to like twice a week. If you've been trading twice, you should cut it down to 1. Just trade at the barest minimum. Don't try to trade frequently. You have to cut down on your trading your trading volumes. You should have to trade in bits, let's say 1 or 2 trades. So whichever trade I give you now, I would even prefer you even place just one of it. You could evaluate the two and see which one you feel would be more accurate, and then you go for it. So yeah, so that's basically it. We'll get back to work. So this week we'll be looking at CADJPY and AUDNZD, which is the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, and the other one, which is the CADJPY, the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. So looking at the market from the daily chart, we see that the market has been on a downward trend, and that's the support, and this is the resistance. So zooming in, you can see here it has retested here. So we'll move to the H4. So we can only assume that a pattern is going to be repeated here, unless there will be a breakout, and if there's going to be a breakout, it's going to happen around here. So this is from our H4 candle, or H4 chart, or 4 hours chart, as we may call it. So it has retested this line, it's pulling back down, and from our H1 it has already started pulling upwards. So what we're seeing here is a retracement is about to happen, and when that retracement happens, it pulls back down. So this is our point. We will call this our sell limit. Yep. These are sell limits. This is our take profits. Okay. Okay, these are sell limits. Good. Good. So this is our sell limits. This is the entry point. This is our entry point. This is our entry point, which is at 81.659. And these are, we'll break down the take profits. We say this is our take profit 1 for this retracement, but now we use, okay, these are take profit 2. We use these points as our take profits 1. I'll use this. Let's place it here. This doesn't look balanced. Okay. Take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. You can see the price is here, the points, the vital point, or the price is there. And this is our stop loss. Stop loss, okay. This is the TP1. This is our TP2. TP2. This is our TP3. Yep. And that's it for CADJPY. Now moving on to AUDNZD. So move to our daily chart. Look at it from a holistic view. I think it has been in, should we say, ranging market? I think so. Not really a trend. Okay. Good. New Zealand. Okay. Okay. We're moving on. Okay, cool, good. Now these are support and resistance line. From our daily charts here, you could draw a mini trend line here and see where this could be possibly headed to. Say here. Okay. We'll put this here. Good. So we're looking at this point. Let's look at it from a holistic view once more. Now it has gotten to this point. Okay. Okay, I think it's an invalid point. Okay, put this here. So this is our midpoint. The price definitely gets to this point. When it hits any of the support region, it still comes back to this point. So we could be possibly setting our sell limit here also at this point. We could do this sell limit. Okay, now we do this, put it here. We say sell okay, we can push it back down a bit. Okay, yeah, this is better. Yeah. Sell limits. Stop loss. Let me mark the points so we could sell limit. Take profit 1. Okay. Stop loss. Our take profit 2. Good. So take profit 1. TP1. TP2. Then if you still want to push on further, you could get to your take profit 3. TP3. This I have a strong feeling this won't happen. It could probably move on from here. So yeah, that's basically it for. Let's go back and make some corrections here. This is a sell trade, so we change its color to this. Better. Yeah. So guys, yeah, that's basically it. So we have a sell limit, a pending order, or you could also wait for the price to get to this point and place a standard sell or a normal sell trade if you are unsure of how to place a pending order. But if you actually want to learn more about placing trades and everything, I think we have a video which will be popping up while you're watching this, probably in this section. The video could pop up, or you go to our video section and you'll see a video on the necessary basics you have to get yourself acquainted with before getting yourself involved in the forex market. The forex market is quite a very delicate one, and it's very, 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 very wrong for you to go into it with you trying your luck and everything. you should do it the professional way. Get to learn the nitty-gritties before, risking your capital, because forex is actually a very big risk, and you could actually end up losing all your money. When I say all, I mean all. I'm not trying to sugarcoat it. Even the expert traders make losses, but it is yeah, they have a way of managing their losses in a way that their risk exposure is not as big as that, and their risk appetite too. They tend to control it. So if you don't have control measures where you make provisions for containing and controlling your risk, you end up being caught up in the market and you probably lose everything you have. So it's better for you to actually develop a risk control measure where you would actually learn to protect your capital more, and so that at the end of the day you make losses and profits, but if you balance it up, you've seen that you're actually going home with something. And you should also have it at the back of your mind that high risk actually, or high reward, also comes with high risk. So if you're going in with a big lot size to make more profit, just also know that you could actually go the other way and you could lose also a very huge sum of money. So guys, that's all I have to say on this chapter, and I hope to see you guys next week. And a podcast will be coming on very soon on I won't disclose on the topics yet, the topic for now, but with time you would get to know more about it. So guys, enjoy yourself, have a very good weekend, and hope you're preparing for the Christmas and you've made your you've gone for your Christmas shopping. So guys, enjoy yourself, take care of family, see you next week, and I hope by next week it should be near Christmas already. So yeah, next week it should be just 1 week away from Christmas. So guys, maybe we could take a Christmas break. I'm not sure yet, but let's just see how things goes. But that'll be all from me now, guys. Bye bye.